Hi, writers. By now, you should be well on your way to start your story or practicing your writing with prompts. Like every new task, practice, practice, practice to hone your skill. Part 6. Today, we will be covering the how-tos of building characters.
Developing a character profile. If you answer these key questions about your character, you will create a realistic person. I suggest keeping a list of your characters near you while you write. You will refer to this list many times. Name, full name, nickname, physical appearance, age. What do they look like? Background. Where did they grow up? What events have shaped their life? Personality traits. Are they introverted or extroverted? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Their quirks and habits? Goals and motivations. What do they want most in life? What drives them to take action? Fears and flaws. What are their deepest fears? What are their flaws and imperfections? Create your character's backstory. Write a detailed backstory for your character. This backstory should include important life events, relationships, and experiences that have shaped who they are. Remember, even if not all details make it into your novel, knowing your character's history will help you write them more authentically. Define relationships. Think about how your character interacts with others. Define their relationships with other characters in your novel. Family. Who are their family members? What's their relationship like? Friends. Who are their close friends? How do they support each other? Enemies. Do they have any adversaries? What caused these conflicts? Love interests. Are there any romantic relationships? Show growth and development. Characters should evolve throughout your story. Think about how your character will grow and change in response to the events of the plot. How do their goals and motivations shift? How do they overcome their fears and flaws? Make them real and relatable. Remember, readers connect with characters who feel real and relatable. Give your characters emotions, vulnerabilities, and challenges. Show their internal struggles and their external actions. Use dialogue and actions. Use dialogue and actions to reveal your character's personality and feelings. Instead of simply telling the reader what a character is like, show it through their words and behavior. Show versus tell. How do they speak? What do they do in different situations? Maintain consistency. Ensure your characters remain consistent throughout the story. Their actions, reactions, and decisions should align with the personality and backstory you've created. If they change, make sure there's an obvious reason for their transformation. Add depth with subplots. Give your characters subplots to add depth and complexity. These subplots can explore different aspects of their lives and personalities, making them more three-dimensional. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating memorable and engaging characters for your fiction novel. Part 7 of the workshop will be about joining a writers group, whether in person or virtually. It's time! See you in 2 weeks. Keep writing. Remember to have fun.